Here's a good question where you're asked to simplify this expression. You can do it a number of ways. Like you could apply the -2 to every term inside. But it might be easier to try and simplify this stuff inside first and then apply the -2. Why don't we start with that? Get rid of all that stuff. Okay, so let's see if we can simplify stuff inside. So I do have x's, and if I'm dividing common terms, common bases, I can subtract their exponents. So the 2, I can't do anything with the 2, but with the x's, I can go 3, since I'm dividing common bases, 3, take away a -5. Take away a -5. I probably usually just do that in my head, but I like to write it out there just to indicate that, hey, it's minus a negative, so those would cancel to be positive. Okay, then same thing with the y's. I'd have y to the -3 minus 4. Okay, all to the 2, or -2. Notice that what was I going to say? Notice. Oh, whatever. That doesn't change. Okay. Oh, it gets rid of the denominator. Okay, let's keep going. So that would really be 2x to the 8th, and y minus 3 minus 4 is a -7. Okay, to the -2. So now I can apply that -2. So the exponent on the 2 is a 1. You usually don't write it, but it's there. So when you're doing power of a power, you multiply those exponents. So that would be 2, 1 times -2 would be a -2. And then x, 8 times -2 would be a -16. And y, -7 times -2 is a +14. Okay, I'm feeling pretty good there. Got rid of brackets, and I've condensed things. But the only issue I have now is that there's 2 terms, or 2 factors that have negative exponents. And typically we don't like negative exponents. But the easy way to get rid of them is just put them on the other side of the fraction line. So this, you could say this is the same thing as that over 1. So I'm just going to pull this term to the bottom and this term to the bottom. And I can do that as long as I change their sign. So the 2 would change, instead of a -2, would be a +2. And the x would be a +16. Now the only last thing you can do, this would be y to the 14th, x to the 16th. You could figure out what 2 squared would be, and that would be 4. So that's where I would leave that question. All right, hopefully that helps you with that one.